Hello, what's up guys? Here a girl, gracceykerrymission. To my channel subscribers, I welcome everyone. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Talking live from Migori County, Migori. This is the city that is under Kisumu. So this is another county that is under Kisumu. So if you are near here, actually enjoyed this video here, continue watching until the end. Actually I have come to do some issues, that's why I've decided just I can take a video here while looking for some fish to go and have for dinner, like, or for lunch. So continue watching until the end. If you haven't subscribed, please go do it. Yeah, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, this market day, but then you will be just seeing how the market is. They are selling a lot of things. Mimi ni Mgisi. Nimetoka huko Nyamira, lakini nimetoka saa hii nimetoka huko Mutemurambu huko inaitwa Mabera. Ingie kwenda huko ndani. Tumekuja kupanda. So guys, here are the prices I'm going to ask her. So this is the fish, fried fish from the fridge of Migori, fried fish. So guys, I'm going to buy the fish. Kama hizo. Hebu weka ya. Hiyo ni ngapi? 120. Yeah. So like this one here, she's saying that it is 120. That's $1 and $0.2 dollars. I don't know. And the mama here, she's selling for me. Yeah. So guys, it is a kind of blessing. She told me that she had left it for me because I have stayed here since she started cooking up to this time here, guys. Sasa salimia watu wangu. Say hello to. Hello. Naendelea aje mami? Naendelea vizuri. Biashara inakupeleka aje manake watu wengi? Vizuri. Hey. Watu wa mama wengine utawaambia ache huko nje manake hawataki kufanya kazi. Nitamwambia akuje kwa biashara wafanye biashara inaendelea vizuri kwa soko. Sasa unafurahia biashara ama mzee ndiye anakuambia nenda ufanye biashara? Mimi nimependa biashara amenipeleka vizuri. Watoto yangu nimefundisha kupitia hii nini? Naenda hata polisi. Kupitia hii kupika samaki. Ai wow. Sasa mbona uwa mnanuaje kutoka unaenda mpaka unafuata huko baharini ama unaletewa? Naletewa tu hapa. Hapa ni wapi sasa? Hapa ni Migori. So all the way from Migori. Nyumbani ni wapi? Nyumbani ni huko Mlimani Center. Center Mlimani. Sasa uko Migori County. Oh. So guys, I am here. We are blessed. Actually, I am very much happy. She's selling here and I was just walking here and there because I've come to Migori County. So I found that she's lovely. If you are here near here Migori County, hapa ni wapi wakupate hapa? Hapa ni Onyinjo. Onyinjo. Njoo hapa kama mnaniangalia kutoka Migori. If you are outside there, please come and support her. Buy the fish, fresh fish from the market. Very fresh here, guys. Come and support her. You are welcome always. She's here every day. Every day. Come and have lovely fish here, fresh fish actually. Thank you so much. Continue watching until the end. Come and support Mama here. She has a lot of things to do at home, taking children to school. Hata amepeleka mwingine yuko polisi. Cheza kama uko nje unaangalia. Asante. Yeah. So thank you so much. Nasema asante. Mimi naitwa Grace. Niko na YouTube channel. Kwa tunazunguka hivi, hatuwezi kukaa kwa nyumba tukiombaomba. Ndio maana unaona nazunguka hivi. Manake niko na YouTube channel. That's why naona ningekuja nikusalimia ili siku nyingine nikipita Migori hapa nitashuka hapa nikuje mpaka huko chini.
Asante.
This is my first time kushuka huko chini. So I've come just to say hello to her. I don't know her. Unaitwaje?
Dorothy Otieno Maroba.
Dorothy Otieno Maroba. Akona mtoto polisi cheseni kama uko nje kumchokoza hapa. Utakipata. So guys, thank you so much. Click that like button, subscribe if you haven't. Please continue supporting us. These are the mama here we need from here, working hard as mama here. They don't want just to stay at home. Umbea tutaki, kazi ni kazi. A new chico, and we are not used to cooking outside. But then today I'm just trying here, like so. Guys, drop a sweet comment. Today we are going to cook. Actually, I have fish here. I have fish, fried fish. I bought it from the market. Like this is fish, fried fish. Yeah, and I have also some tomatoes. Like we are going to do it in a quicker way because it's getting dark. Here, cooking oil, you have to buy it according to your size, according to the money that you have. So this is for 20 shillings, Kenyan shillings. So I have to add oil first. We are adding oil. After adding oil, I add to do the tomatoes. Nowadays the tomatoes are very expensive. Like, so guys, let's see how much we are going to use. Actually, enjoy the video. Now I am adding the tomatoes. Hey, a lot of smoke. Now we are adding the tomatoes. Actually, it's smoky. We are dealing with smoke. That's why you are seeing in a sumbua. And I'm using my phone. Like, I don't have the onions, so I have to use only the tomatoes, and I don't have any spicy like I am going to use. So guys, drop a comment What do you think about this video here? Actually, and it is going to be amazing. After that, I have to start. After that, we have to start with and this is the tool that I'm using. Remember, I'm using the offset tip, and this even these stones here, you can see they are new. Like we were carrying from someone's compound. We carried it from someone's compound. Wow, we add salt. After adding salt, we have to stir, guys. Today I am interested like cooking with offset chicken, no smoky. So I'll have to leave the tomatoes to be ready, like, and then we shall add a small soup, and then we shall add the fish. This is the sauce. So here we are getting the tomatoes ready, and then we shall add the other stuff. Mbona so guys, here the soup is ready. I have to add a little bit of water, like this one here, because the fish is not that much. So you can see when it is ready. Wow, it's ready. So guys, the sauce is ready. So what I have to add is the fish, like add the fish, and then we turn, and then it's going to be ready. Actually, the soup is ready, and even the sauce was ready. So I have to stir it. I don't need to stir, and then I cover it for like minutes. Leo kuni sinasumbua mai. So from here, I think it is ready. Actually, I have to cover it for some minutes. Actually, we don't have a lid, so I have to cover it with the saucepan. Like, so guys, drop a comment. Think about this video here. It's night hours, like, so when it is the time is like this, we are doing our dinner outside, and it's raining. Like today, the rain is coming. And so guys, it is ready. You can see it was only two fish for two people, like, so it's very much amazing. Drop a comment what you think about this video here. So guys, thank you always for coming to support me. I really appreciate the love. Continue subscribing, support your girl. Actually, I love you all. Bye bye. So guys, it is ready. You can see it was only two fish for two people, like, so it's very much amazing. Drop a comment what you think about this video here. So guys, thank you always for coming to support me. I really appreciate the love. continue subscribing, support your girl. Actually, I love you all. Bye bye.